Which month is Christmas?
Look at them. Monday, Friday, Saturday.
Let's talk month, which month?
No, Monday, alright.
Friday.
If you say Christmas,
When not Christmas, Monday and Friday.
Which month?
Monday and Friday. I got me to tell
which
you.
month
Me
in
not
the
talk
year?
about none.
Which
Me
month?
talk Monday. Me not talk no date. A bumbo class.
It's a wet.
Me not talk no date.
It's a which month is celebrating? Tap it for bad news, brother. This guy did it. Tap it for bad news, man.
No, I'm going to say which month. Which month
On
come from?
Friday and Saturday, liquor.
I'm not talking about it here. I'm going to say which month.
Which month?
Yeah.
Well, you don't know. Listen. We don't give up on that. No go no summer Friday. Because Christmas can October, November, December. You understand?
Which month Christmas now?
No must next week when they come.
Which month? Which
No must
month?
next week.
Which
You
month?
have no must October and November. That people nice man. Calling out no sense man. No must October and November. Eh? If Christmas come and Christmas come. Eh? No must July or Boxing Day. No must July or Boxing Day. Tuesday. Christmas come Friday, I said, you must July or Boxing Day. The 21st and the 23rd, 9.
My brother know my liquor.
The people nice there, man.
They have 2 o'clock.
Cause if Christmas come Friday, I must want Friday or Saturday.